considering a digital detox, or simply ready to say goodbye to Instagram for good. This is your definitive guide to permanently deleting your account. First, you can't delete your account directly from the Instagram app. You'll need to use a web browser on your computer or phone. Go to the Delete Your Account page. That's Instagram.com/account/remove/request/permanent/. You'll be prompted to log in with your Instagram username and password. Once logged in, Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account from a drop-down menu. Choose the option that best fits your situation. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's just for their feedback. After selecting your reason, you'll need to re-enter your password to confirm your identity. This is a crucial security step. Finally, you'll see a prominent Delete button. Clicking this initiates the permanent deletion process. It's important to know that once you request deletion, your account will be hidden for 30 days during this grace period. If you log back in, your account will be reactivated after the 30 days. However, all your photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered. So, if you're absolutely sure you want to leave, resist the urge to log back. In this process, ensures your digital footprint on Instagram is completely erased, offering you peace of mind and enhanced digital privacy.